Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta Karma and I have started my machine learning playlist. So, if you are just starting with machine learning, you have probably heard the word regression. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down in a super simple way. No complex maths, just logic and real world example. So, what is regression? Regression is a supervised machine learning algorithm used to predict continuous values. Means regression is like teaching a machine to predict numbers based on patterns or data. For example, you want to predict house prices based on size, or forecast sales for the next month, or estimate a person's salary based on their experience. In all these cases, we want to predict a continuous numeric value, not a label or category. That's what make it regression. If we want to try, or regression tries to draw a line like this. This is line which is best fit through the data. As in our school we learned, like for line y equals to mx plus c, where m is slope, c is intercept, y is dependent variable, and x is independent variable. X is independent variable, this is dependent variable, and these all points are data points, and this black line shows the line of regression. In ML term, X is independent variable and Y is dependent variable. Okay. So why do we use regression? Regression helps in making prediction based on trends in data, understanding relationship between variables, optimizing business decisions like pricing, forecasting, and budgeting. Like it regression is helpful in house price predictions, sales forecasting, insurance premium estimation, and temperature and rainfall prediction. Okay. Think about this, like a company wants to predict how many products to stock. A doctor wants to predict patient recovery time based on treatment data. A finance team wants to estimate future revenue. So, how we can solve it? How we can predict? This will done by regression. Regression is behind all of these smart predictions. We can use regression in real world, like house pricing, weather forecasting. House pricing means we want to predict price of the house based on size, location. And weather forecasting, like uh, predicting temperature or rainfall based on historical data or weather condition. Marketing, like predicting how many leads convert to customer based on ad spend. Healthcare and sport, like in sport, predicting a player's performance based on previous games. Where you need to predict number, regression is your go-to tool. So let's move another page. Types of regression. Mainly, we will learn regression is 5 types: simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression, Rees regression, and lesser regression. So what is simple linear regression? I'm giving you a simple one-line definition for this, and we will learn more about this all types of regression in depth in our next video. So what is simple linear regression? One output variable and one input variable contain simple linear regression, like predicting salary based on years of experience. Like if you are a fresher, you will get if you are a software engineer, okay, and you are a fresher, then you will get approximately 5 to 6 LPA, okay. But as you grow, as your year of experience become more, you will get more salary. So simple linear regression is helpful to predicting the salary based on years of experience. So what is multiple linear regression? Like simple linear regression, uh, in simple linear regression there is only one input and only one input, and in multiple linear regression there is multiple input variable and one output variable. Like uh, for example, salary is related to experience plus age and plus education, okay. That mean if you have did only 12th and you have 5 years of experience, then also you are lesser than a PhD person who have only 2 years of experience. That means input matters, and input variable and multiple linear regression comes here to predict multiple input variable for one output. So next is polynomial regression. A polynomial regression is best when the data forms a curve, not a straight line. Next is Rees regression. It is used to prevent overfitting when you have too many features. Rees and lasso regression is used to prevent overfitting when you have too many features. We will cover all these one by one in this series. Okay. Okay. So come here and just we are going to understand about what is regression and what is classification. Okay. So regression predicts number, means regression predicts number like price, salary, okay. But classification predicts categories. Like regression is not helpful in classifying the mail is spam or not, and classification is not helpful in predicting the price and salary and all, okay. Like predicting age or predicting salary, we use regression. And for predicting if someone will buy or not, if email is spam or not, then we will use classification. So how does regression work? Regression tries to fit a line to your data points such that the difference between the actual value and predicting value is minimized, like this line, okay. This line tries to fit a line that is that have minimal distance between data points, okay. And it does this by minimizing something called like mean squared error. I know you are not able to understand, but don't worry, we will see this in next video. The main goal is find the best line, okay? That helps the model predict as accurately as possible. So regression main goal is finding the best line that helps the model to predict as accurate as possible. So for the summary, regression predicts number, classification classify categories. Regression is used in business, healthcare, finance, weather and everywhere. And in next video, we will go for the simple linear regression. Thank you everyone, and please stay tuned and subscribe for update, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you.